What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So right now the markets aren't the best. We're not seeing a lot of volume taking place. I want to point out a few things to you and then also talk about Pepe coin and what's going on over there. Now we see Pepe coin down 6.5%, but if we look at the overall market, we can just see nothing but red. It's a lot of blood today, and the reason being is there's no volume in the market. Not necessarily none, but the volume is a lot lower than what it usually is. So let's take a look at this and stay tuned to the end of the video so I can drop a special announcement on y'all. Also, if you haven't joined the fam already, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get into this. Bitcoin, 26,781, down 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Now, take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, 519. We're usually seeing this around, 600, 700, 800 billion dollar market cap. Also, take a look at the 24-hour volume on Bitcoin, only $8.6 billion. Just a few weeks ago, not even a few weeks, maybe a few days ago, this number was sitting around, I want to say close to $30 billion, $20 billion in volume, at least at that 19 range. I saw it for a period of time. And then we had Ethereum's volume sitting at, maybe $12 billion in volume. And now if we take a look at Ethereum's volume in the last 24 hours, we can see it's only at $3.3 billion. So what does less volume tell us? That tells us less money is being traded in the market. So as we see money come out, usually we see money come in. Buyers and sellers are going back and forth at war with each other. Now what we're seeing take place right now is money going out and less money coming in. So right now it's creating more selling pressure than buying pressure in the market, and that in turn is leading to lower trading volumes, lower prices, and a little damaged confidence when it comes to beginner investors and holding their positions. Now we're seeing a lot of people possibly take money out of the markets for emergency situations, just to make sure they're have those maybe 3 to 6 months emergency funds, padded nicely. You got to think about it. Inflation has been eating away at a lot of different people's incomes, and the average income isn't rising at the same pace as inflation. So because of that, people are going to have to dig into some of their investments and liquidate them to have funds on hand. So right now, people don't have that confidence in the market. So that's leading them to, necessarily step away or just sit on the sidelines without adding more money into the market, which is making us slowly have this retracement that we're seeing here. So BNB 307. But take a look, most importantly, everything is in the red. We could even see Cardano in the red, down 1.3%, Doge in the red, down 1.8%, Matic down 2%, Solana down 3%. Surprisingly, Tron up today 3.5%, but DOT down 2.3%, and shibainu down 2% as well. So it tells us, the overall, basically top 20 cryptocurrencies are all in the red except for maybe 2. Litecoin up 0.3% and Tron up 3.5%. So a little bit right there for those two, but for the most part, markets aren't happy, markets aren't excited. So let's take a look at this article here. Pepe coin surges, trading volume skyrockets, outpacing Dogecoin. This is something that I want y'all to pay attention to. Even though we talked about Bitcoin's trading volume, we talked about Ethereum's trading volume being so low, we even looked at Shiba Inu's trading volume. Actually, let's take a look at Shiba Inu's. Right now, Shiba Inu's trading volume is sitting at $66 million. So dropped under that $100 million level, giving you an idea of how far we are from normal volume levels. So the craze right now is Pepe coin, a newcomer to the world of meme coins. Coin market cap data shows that in a short time since its inception, Pepe has given its early investors mind-blowing gains. From a record low of that 2764 level on April 17, 2023 to an all-time high of 4354 before falling to its current position. The price of Pepe has surged in the last 30 days. Pepe coin has increased by 6,061%, delighting early investors with millions of dollars. The new meme coin is down by 60% since its all-time high, pivoting to a downward trend. However, according to the latest data, Pepe has risen by over 8% in the last 24 hours. Pepe coin dethrones Doge in trading volume. According to the latest data, Pepe coin is trading at that 1707 level. In the last 24 hours, volume has soared by over 106% and stands at $367 million. So that's wild to see a meme coin having more trading volume than the number one cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. Second Ethereum. So this tells me that Pepe is most likely going to be here to stay. Obviously, you know, this is not financial advice. Can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. I don't know if something, you know, one day may be, you know, shiesty with the project. The development team does something that, you know, the community doesn't like and people step away. But for right now, the way Pepe has stepped on the scene, this appears to be one that will be here for the long run. You know, the long term. It doesn't look like it's just going to disappear. I see some people flooding saying, you know, Pepe coin is a big scam. You know, you could look at anything as a scam if that's the way you set to put your mind on it. But you know, if you understand that as in these markets, as somebody's buying, someone is selling, then that's just the way it is. But of course, earlier investors have the opportunity to take profits, sell on later investors. So you always want to keep that in mind. This is why I try to tell y'all not to chase green candles. Wait for it. If it's a project that you're excited about, you see the whole world talking about it, you see it pumping, wait for it to retrace, and then you get in on that retracement, which is likely going to be a better entry than if you would have bought the top. A lot of people jump in, they get excited, they see, you know, the green candles, they buy at the top, and then the price starts to retrace, and now they bought up here, and now they're upset. So just keep that in mind. But Pepe dethroned Doge in trading volume. Doge trading volume stands at 122 million with a 7% drop in the last 24 hours. Pepe's trading volume is almost 3 times higher than that of Dogecoin. However, Pepe coin has to put on another remarkable show to make a comeback in order to breach its previous all-time high. So, you know, it definitely has a lot to go. You know, overall market has to pick back up. When Pepe was around all-time high, we seen an overall crypto market sitting at around maybe $1.3 trillion market cap. Right now, we're seeing that $1.12 trillion market cap. So a lot of money has left the space right now. We're going to need some of that money to flow back. Most likely, we're going to need to hear some good positive bullish catalyst through the Federal Reserve, you know, about interest rates, you know, possibly some more money being pumped into the economy to get people excited, you know, and then possibly some of that money will flow back into the crypto space. So just be prepared to hold, you know, the markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So that's from Warren Buffett. So just, you know, understand that, you know, you want to understand your investments. Don't just jump into anything unless you're doing with meme coins and you have, like, you know, a budget, a set aside budget for gambling with meme coins, then that's fine. But when it comes to traditional investments, you want to understand what you're investing in, so that way you're prepared to hold it through the dark times as well as the good times. Now, that's all we got for this video, but my special announcement is right now I have 3 of my courses bundled together right now, my stock options trading course. So if you're someone who would like to take your investment knowledge to the next level, you want to learn how to trade options Monday through Friday in the stock market, I got this course for you. Also, my technical analysis course teaching you how to understand the data on the chart, how to use the charting software, how to use different indicators, tools, and how to put all that information together to become a better informed investor. And then we got the crypto one-on-one course giving you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing for, you know, beginner, intermediate level. And then I have my meme coin course right now available for pre-order for those interested in investing in coins like Pepe, but learning how to find those next 100x to 1000x gems before they actually explode. If you're interested in any of those courses, just let me know in the subject section of the email address, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. My bad, y'all. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are